Well, if we think about modularization, it involves an element of standardization. And if you standardize something at its simplest level, you can design it once to use it many times. So you save in the design office on every project that uses that particular product or standardized element. But having something standardized also saves time in other ways. It saves time on site. A standard product can be designed to be easy to manufacture. So it's quicker to manufacture and take through the production process at the suppliers. It can also be designed to be easy to install, so you can install maybe 1 or 2 elements rather than 10, 20 or 30 different components on site. And having done that off-site as well, you get a safety dividend because it's intrinsically much safer to make things in a factory where it's a controlled environment than it is to do the same work on-site, which is harder to control. And it also takes longer as well to build things from scratch on site. So therefore you save time by building off-site. The time saving is manifested in a few different ways. Simply, it's reduced labour cost, so less man hours on site to actually do the work. But if you look at the project as a whole, if the thing that you're putting in is part of the critical path of the project, it can actually reduce the overall program time. And that means you start to affect the cost of all the infrastructure, the preliminary costs, the site cabins and the management costs that go with that project. The cost benefits of off-site construction include the savings in time on site, that's to say labour cost, reduction in preliminaries because you're reducing the overall program if what you're building is on the critical path. And also if you're using standardized modules, then these will have been products that have been accepted by operations before you began, and so therefore the takeover is going to be much smoother and operations are going to be happy and the project can finish much more quickly.